In a flooded city, a modular rescue rover glides from street to waterline, its hull shedding rain in a clean arc. Engineers swap out modules on the fly, turning riverine pontoons into swift emergency barges. The rover sips sunlight through its panels, powering pumps and a silent sonar beacon that guides stranded residents to safety. A drone circles above, mapping currents and delivering tiny life-saving kits to doorways that echo with water. By dusk, the convoy dissolves into a convoy of bright silhouettes, each rover a promise of rapid response.